Welcome to The Last Breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
You begin by accessing Cnbc for live gold headlines and your broker platform concurrently. This gives price context and execution capability. Once open, link the instrument you want, GLD, GC futures, or XAU/USD spot, to your brokerage order screen and make sure margin and permissions are enabled. While watching CNBC headlines, create a focused watch list and add price alerts. These alerts trigger your first small entry or alert you to news-driven volatility, so you can act decisively. You now synthesize CNBC macro news with technical signals to time an entry and size risk. Start by watching economic calendars, Fed commentary, and CPI headlines on CNBC, then compare them to your chart indicators, moving averages, RSI, and support/resistance. Once done, verify liquidity and spreads on GLD or futures and account for rollover costs. Finally, calculate trade size using dollar risk or percentage rules, and place a limit or stop entry order so your execution matches the observed setup. You execute the trade by choosing the order type that matches your plan limit for precision, market for speed, stop entry for breakout plays, and double-check size, slippage tolerance, and order duration. After entry, manage the position with predefined stop loss, trailing stops, and scheduled partial profits to lock gains. If CNBC breaks unexpected news, act quickly, tighten stops, or exit to limit damage. Finally, document the trade rationale, entry, and outcome so you learn and improve the next time.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.